Welcome to the on-demand migration use case video demonstration. Jones Cloud Incorporated has acquired a new company with Office 365 tenants called In the Sky. They need to merge the acquired tenant into their primary tenant to reduce costs and resource fragmentation as their company expands. Some of the acquired companies have users with the same or similar account names, so they need to ensure that these users are accommodated properly without data or attributes getting mixed up with pre-existing target users with similar logon names. On-demand migration addresses this need and allows simultaneous migration of users, mailboxes, and shared resources swiftly and effectively from multiple tenants into one. As you can see, I have 4 tenants added. We are going to focus on 2 tenants, the target tenant, Jones Cloud Incorporated, and the source tenant, In the Sky. From here, I click on the migration link, and then I'm going to click on the Go button on the migration widget. Then I'm going to go into the project that I have created for this migration. The goal is to migrate the user accounts, all their attributes, mailboxes, and data with all permissions in place from In the Sky tenant to In the Cloud Incorporated tenant. All the OneDrive data will also be migrated. As of right now, rights and permissions are not migrated for OneDrive. Additionally, on-demand migration's pre-matching of user objects based on matching attributes allows administrators to circumvent any concerns about mismatching accounts, allowing them to easily ensure the right source users are matched with the proper target users. I'm going to select all accounts and then click on the match link. I'm going to match the accounts using the display name in the target and source tenants. Then verify the summary and click Finish to start the matching task. To see the progress of the matching task, just click on the task link and you can see progress of it, and then you can see that it's finished now. One thing to note, if you have a large amount of users, over 10,000, it is best to add objects to collections and spread the users evenly throughout the collections. Also, creating a large number of migration tasks will not improve the migration performance. To ensure communication and collaboration will work during the migration, it's best to enable calendar sharing before the migration. After the users are migrated, mail direction will need to be switched over to ensure the users are able to send and receive mail. Now I'm going to click on the task link to see the progress, and you can see that it has completed. Now it is time to start the migration process. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. To start the accounts migration process, click the Migrate Accounts link, then select the accounts you wish to migrate. I'm selecting them all. To start the migration wizard, click on the Migrate Accounts link. Verify that you're migrating to the correct target tenant. Click Next to see the summary. Verify the details and click Finish to start the migration. Now click on the task link so you can see the progress of the migration. For the purpose of speeding up this video, I have sped up the migration process through my video editing software. It took roughly 1 minute to migrate the 149 accounts. Migration speed can be affected by many factors. For example, mailbox sizes, amount of items in mailboxes, amount of data per user in OneDrive, Microsoft throttling, along with network performance and internet performance could influence throughput as well. To migrate mailbox data, you need to repeat the process by clicking on the Mailboxes link, then select the mailboxes you wish to migrate, click the Migrate Mail link, then select the data you wish to migrate. I'm just going to accept the defaults and click Next. Here you're going to select the correct licensing plan. This screen allows you to select which items you would like to exclude. I'm just going to leave it at its defaults. Click Next, verify the summary, and then click Finish to start the task and migrate the mail. To migrate OneDrive data, click on the OneDrive link and follow the same process as the previous migration. Now that the migration is completed, users that have similar names to pre-existing target accounts from different people can rest easy as well, knowing they will log into the new target domain with the same data exactly as desired. It is best to have users make sure that they can log in and send email and access the same applications and shared resources that they could access prior to the migration. And that concludes this video demonstration. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and there'll be many more to come. To learn more, visit quest.com/products/on-demand-migration.